Hi, welcome back to MRTV. I'm in the Apple Vision Pro in-space Pirate Trainer with the Surreal Touch controllers for the Apple Vision Pro. This is part of my rolling review. You know it until now that, well, I'm testing these controllers. These are the first third-party controllers made for the Apple Vision Pro that allow you to play all of those SteamVR games, just like Space Pirate Trainer on your Apple Vision Pro, streaming them from your gaming PC to the Apple Vision Pro. And yeah, here they are. Self-track controllers. So, this is part of my rolling review that goes on until the Kickstarter campaign starts. And I'm playing the games that you want me to play. So, do leave me in the comment sections what other games do you want me to play. And well, you know, simply let's do it. But before we do so, a word from our sponsor. Today's video is brought to you by Prism XR's Carina D1 charging dock for the Quest 3. The Carina D1 charging dock is my favorite solution for keeping the Quest 3 and its controllers charged. You can charge the Quest 3 no matter which head strap you're using, and all the connections are held into place with magnets, which simply makes for more secure charging connections whenever you put the Quest 3 and the controllers back into the charger. The Carina D1 is available on Amazon and on the Prism XR's website. Thanks to Prism XR for sponsoring this video. Alright, with this out of the way, let's do it. Ready to rock? Arcade, and here we go. Now, this is truly a classic game and perfect to check out how well those controllers work, right? Because, well, you need accuracy to make this happen here. And so far, those controllers have simply delivered on all the games that I played. And yeah, I'm seeing the same here, which is cool. So I've already played Pistol Whip, which was also a shooter, but this is like one of the classic shooters. And of course, I've also played Half-Life Alyx, the SteamVR game of SteamVR games in my initial video. Also worked really well. So yeah, so far anything that I've thrown at these controllers, they simply work. They control, they track themselves with 2 cameras per controller. So that is really good. So again, you can secure the super early bird prize, the best prize, oh no, of $250. Oh no, that's it. Of $250 if you put your Kickstarter email address down in the mailing list that you can find down in the description of this video. And then you simply secure the best prize. And in my opinion, you should do that because these work so well. These work simply so well. It's amazing. And you know what's cool? It is actually so fun to play those SteamVR games here in the Apple Vision Pro, because the blacks here, you know, the blacks of the universe, they are real black. You know, they are simply micro OLED black, and it is fun to play games here in the Apple Vision Pro. And unfortunately, as you know, the Apple Vision Pro doesn't really have so many VR games itself. Oh wow! Change the gun here. Oh, this is also pretty good. However, I did prefer the other gun. How can I change the guns here? Oh no, this gun is even worse. No! Okay, I'm sitting here. Oh, now they're coming from all the directions here. Ah, here we go again. This is better. This gun is better. Whoa! Yeah, Space Pirate Trainer, definitely an incredible game. Yeah, so playing games in the Apple Vision Pro is incredible. If you want to play all of your PC VR games, you can do that now, thanks to, again, ALVR, the streaming app, and those here, the Surreal Touch controllers. Also, this game, it simply works as expected. But let me get like a better gun here. This is not so good. So this is... No? Yeah, this one is better. Let's go for another. Let's do it a bit further here now. Yes! So this looks so good with that OLED blacks, right? And those really bright colors. Amazing. Super nice. So in my opinion, as I've told you in the videos before of that, this is truly a game changer. And you know, it's also fun to make these videos just to see those games in the Apple Vision Pro. Yeah, so for the controller itself, as you can tell, it's absolutely as what we have expected. It's accurate. I simply can play all the games that I throw at it. Wow. Yeah, so this is a great classic game here. And you really have to dodge, which I like. Yeah. So also Space Pirate Trainer works amazingly well with the Surreal Touch controllers. And I believe that the Surreal Touch controllers are going to become the standard controller here for the Apple Vision Pro. There's nothing else there, right? Of course, you could use your Valve Index controllers, but you have to use Open Space Calibrator, and sometimes you're going to lose that calibration. And that sucks, right? So here, you don't have to calibrate anything. It simply works out of the box. And yeah. So, that's it for this test here in this incredible game, Space Pirate Trainer. And also works just as expected. Inside out, tracking themselves, those controllers. Surreal Touch, I think $250 is a great price. Again, the Meta Touch Pro controllers are $300, and they give you the same thing here, but for your Apple Vision Pro. So, well done, Surreal Touch. So far, everything, any game that I threw at this, it simply worked. So, thumbs up, really thumbs up for this. Okay, so end of August, the Kickstarter should start, and again, put your if you want this. Secure the best price, the super launch day price, $250 by putting your name, your Kickstarter email address in the mailing list down in the description and in the first comment of this video. That's everything that I have for this video. Keep on telling me what games I should play with the Apple Vision Pro, not only to check out those controllers, but also, yeah, to simply see how good the games are in the Apple Vision Pro. That's everything I have for this video. I'm looking forward to see the next one. Until then, bye-bye.